back to the Money Making Pals channel for all things money. Are you ready to start earning money online even if you have no experience? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I am going to show you 10 easy ways to make money online. And the best part, you can start with zero experience. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash on the side or create a full-time income, these methods are perfect for beginners. So grab a notebook because you won't want to miss this. As always, don't forget to subscribe and stay until the end of this video for all the content. First up, there's freelance writing. If you have a knack for writing, you can easily turn this skill into cash. The demand for content is higher than ever, with businesses needing blog posts, articles, and website copy. Here's how you get started. First of all, choose a niche. Even if you're a beginner, it helps to focus on specific topics that you're passionate about. Whether it's technology, health, finance, or travel, pick a niche that interests you. Yes, even if it's pickleball, there's an audience for just about anything that you can imagine. Number 2, create a portfolio. Start by writing a few sample articles. You can create your own blog or use platforms like Medium to showcase your work. A simple portfolio will make it easier to attract clients. Number 3, join freelance platforms. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to find writing gigs. Create a profile highlighting your skills and start applying to jobs today. Number 4, pitch directly to websites. Many websites accept guest posts or hire freelance writers. Look for blogs in your niche and reach out with a pitch offering to write for them. And number 5, set your rates. As a beginner, you might start with lower rates, but as you gain experience and build a portfolio, you can increase your rates. Freelance writing is flexible and can be done from anywhere. As you build your reputation, you'll start getting more gigs that can potentially turn into a full-time career. Next, let's talk about online surveys and market research. Companies are constantly looking for customer feedback, and they're willing to pay for your opinion. And here's how you can make money with surveys. Number 1, sign up for legitimate survey sites. Some of the best sites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Pinecone Research. These platforms connect you with surveys that pay you for your time. Number 2, complete surveys for cash or gift cards. Surveys typically pay in cash or gift cards, and the amount you earn depends on the length and complexity of the survey. Number 3, participate in focus groups. Some platforms also offer higher paying opportunities like focus groups or product testing. These can pay significantly more than regular surveys. And number 4, set up a dedicated email. To keep track of your survey invitations, create a separate email account. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you don't miss any opportunities. Look, online surveys won't make you rich, but they're a simple and easy way to earn extra cash in your spare time. Plus, they're perfect for when you're just starting out and you just want to make some quick money. Way number 3 is virtual assistants. As more businesses go online, the demand for virtual assistants is skyrocketing. And the best part, you don't need a ton of experience to get started. Here's how to dive into virtual assistants. Number 1, understand the role. Virtual assistants perform various tasks from managing emails to scheduling appointments, handling social media, and more. It's all about helping businesses run smoothly. Number 2, identify your skills. Even if you don't have experience, think about the skills that you already have, like organization, communication, or tech savviness. These are valuable to potential clients. Number 3, create a service list. Outline the services that you can offer as a virtual assistant. Start with basic tasks like data entry, email management, and social media posting. Number 4, join freelance platforms. Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are great places to find virtual assistant jobs. Set up a profile, list your services, and start applying to relevant jobs. Number 5, network and build relationships. Networking is key in this field. Join a VA, virtual assistant groups on social media, attend seminars, and connect with potential clients. Virtual assistance is a growing field with plenty of opportunities. As you gain experience, you can specialize in specific tasks and increase your rates, making it a lucrative online career. Number 4 is selling digital products. If you're creative or have a skill that can be digitalized, selling digital products online is a great way to make money. And here's how you can do it. You can choose a product to create. Digital products can include ebooks, printables, templates, online courses, and even digital art. Think about what you're good at and what you can create. You can design your product by using tools like Canva, Adobe Illustrator, and for courses, you can use platforms like Teachable or Udemy to host your content. You can set up an online store. You can sell your digital products on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. These platforms make it easy to reach customers and handle transactions. Market your products. Use social media, email marketing, and even paid ads to promote your products. The more you market, the more potential customers you can reach. And finally, automate your sales. Once your products are listed, sales can be automated, meaning you can make money 24/7 even while you sleep. Digital products have high profit margins because once they're created, you can sell them repeatedly with no additional cost. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income online. Way number 5 is affiliate marketing. I have a whole video on affiliate marketing which you can access in the link below. This is a great way to make money by promoting other people's products. Here's how you can get started with affiliate marketing. First, join an affiliate program. Sign up for affiliate programs that align with your interests or niche. Popular options include Amazon Associates, Share as Sale, and ClickBank. Next, choose products to promote. Once you're accepted into a program, choose products that you genuinely like and think will be useful to your audience. Next, create content around the products. Start creating content that incorporates these products. This could be blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media posts. Make sure to include your affiliate links. Always disclose your affiliate relationships. It's important to be transparent with your audience. Always disclose that you're using affiliate links. And finally, track your earnings. Most affiliate programs provide analytics to track your clicks and earnings. Use this data to optimize your content and increase your commissions. Affiliate marketing is all about building trust with your audience. As you create valuable content, you'll start to see these commissions roll in. Over time, this can turn into a significant income stream. Next up, print on demand. If you're creative but don't want to deal with inventory, print on demand is perfect for you. And here's how it works. First, you design your products. Create designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, and more. You don't need to be a professional designer. You can use tools like Canva that can help you create simple, eye-catching designs. Number 2, choose a print-on-demand platforms. Platforms like Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble allow you to upload your designs, and they handle the printing, shipping, and customer service. Number 3, set up your online store. You can sell your products through your own website or use platforms like Etsy or Shopify. Connect your store to the print-on-demand service for seamless order fulfillment. Number 4, promote your products. Use social media, influencer partnerships, and paid ads to get your products in front of potential buyers. The more traffic you drive to your store, the more sales you'll make. And number 5, scale your business. Once you find designs that sell well, create more of them and expand your product range. Print on demand is a scalable business model, meaning you can grow it as big as you want. Print on demand allows you to start a business with virtually no upfront costs. It's a low-risk way to earn money online and can be incredibly rewarding as your sales grow. Way number 7 is social media management. If you're good at creating content and understand social media platforms, you can offer your services as a social media manager. And here's how. First, learn the basics. Familiarize yourself with platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Understand what types of content perform well on each platform. Then, offer your services. Start by offering your services to small businesses or entrepreneurs who may not have the time to manage their social media accounts. Then, create a portfolio. Showcase your ability to grow an audience, engage with followers, and create compelling content. You can do this by managing your own social media or offering free services to a few clients in exchange for testimonials. Then, use scheduling tools. Tools like Hootsuite, buffer, and later allow you to schedule posts in advance, making it easier to manage multiple accounts. And finally, grow your client base. As you gain experience, start charging more for your services. You can also specialize in a particular platform or industry to stand out. Social media management is a great way to leverage your existing skills and turn them into income. With more businesses needing a strong online presence, there is no shortage of opportunities in this field. Number 8 is online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, whether it's math, science, or even language, you can make money by tutoring others online. And here's how to get started. First, identify your strengths. Think about what subjects you're good at or have a passion for teaching. This could be academic subjects, test prep, or even hobbies like music or art. 2, join a tutoring platform. Websites like VIPKid, Tutor.com, and Wyzant connect tutors with students. Sign up and create a profile highlighting your expertise. Set your rates. Determine how much you want to charge per hour. Rates can vary depending on the subject and your level of expertise. Then, prepare your lessons. Organize your materials and create a structured lesson plan for your students. This will help you stay organized and deliver effective tutoring sessions. And finally, market your services. In addition to using tutoring platforms, promote your services on social media, community boards, and even local schools. Online tutoring is flexible, allowing you to work from anywhere and set your own hours. It's a rewarding way to share your knowledge and help others while earning money. Way number 9 is selling handmade products. If you're crafty and enjoy making things by hand, you can turn your hobby into a profitable business. Here's how. Well, first, you choose a product that you want to sell. Whether it's jewelry, candles, soap, or artwork, decide what your handmade item is that you want to sell. Then, set up an online store. Etsy is a popular platform for selling handmade goods, but you can also use Shopify or even your own website. Next, take high-quality photos. Since customers can't see or touch your products in person, high-quality photos are essential. Make sure that your photos showcase your products in the best light. Then, price your products. Consider the cost of materials, your time, and the competition when pricing your products. Be sure to include a profit margin. And finally, promote your shop. Again, use social media, influencer partnerships, and even local craft fairs to promote your products and drive traffic to your shop. Selling handmade products online allows you to monetize your creativity. It's a fulfilling way to share your creations with the world and earn money doing something that you love. And finally, my favorite. Way 10 is YouTube content creation. If you enjoy being on camera and have a passion for sharing knowledge, experiences, or entertainment, YouTube can be a lucrative platform. And here's how you get started. First, you choose a niche. Decide what type of content you want to create. It can be tutorials, blogs, reviews, or gaming. Stick to a niche that you're passionate about. Create a YouTube channel. Set up your channel, design a logo, and write a compelling bio. Make sure that your channel looks professional. Next, start creating content. Use your phone or a camera to start filming videos. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on delivering value to your viewers. Then you monetize your channel. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can apply for YouTube's partner program and start earning money through ads. You can also explore sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products. Then, promote your videos. Share your videos on social media, embed them in blog posts, and collaborate with other YouTubers to grow your audience. Creating content on YouTube takes time and consistency, but the potential rewards are huge. With dedication, you can build a loyal audience and create multiple streams of income. And there you have it, 10 easy ways to earn money online with no experience required. Whether you're freelancing, selling digital products, or creating content, the possibilities are endless. So why wait? Pick one of these methods and start your journey to financial freedom today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell to be notified of new content. We're always sharing tips, tricks, and strategies to help you succeed online on all things money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.